Girls, are you ready for your snack?
Yeah.
Snack School.
My name is Scarlett. My name's Vivi. This is my sister named Scarlett. Yeah. And this is my sister named Vivi. Don't forget to subscribe.
What is Olaf's favorite season?
Summer. I like summer because we get to go in the swimming pool and also go to the beach.
Do you know any songs about summer?
Yeah. Not that. That's about snow.
I know a song. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy Snowman! Happy Snowman.
puddle.
No, Happy Snowman. Let's hug.
Do you like warm hugs?
Take a picture, Mom.
You're on video. Do you want to watch a clip on how much Olaf loves summer?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
Nope. But sometimes I like to close my eyes and imagine what it'd be like when summer does come.
Hey, I'm James. Let's show the kids what frozen things do in summer. We're going to make an Olaf Puddle Yogurt Parfait using all good things, and after, you'll get to see my girl's warm reaction. In your blender, add your favorite oat granola. I prefer a light-colored plain oat and honey granola. Blend it for 20 seconds on high. Now you've made sand for your beach. Dump the sand into a container and set it aside for later. In your blender, add 1 cup of 2% plain Greek yogurt. Add a half cup of frozen pineapple and 1 banana. Blend until smooth. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of blue spirulina. It's a natural food coloring, and be sure that it's from a brand you trust. Blend until the light blue color is thoroughly mixed in. Leave the blue mixture in the blender and grab your cutting board. Cut 4 medium strawberries and 1 banana into small chunks. In 2 small bowls, divide the fruit evenly and spread it along the bottom. Grab the blender and pour the ocean into each bowl over the fruit. Use a spatula to smooth the mixture over the fruit. Sprinkle your sandy oat mixture over 3/4 of each bowl, and use the back of the spoon to evenly smooth out that sandy beach. In a small bowl, whip 3 tablespoons of 2% Greek yogurt. You can add a teaspoon of pure maple syrup to it to make it a little easier to spread. Slowly spread half the mixture into a round blob onto each sandy beach. Be careful not to move the sand when adding Olaf. Add 4 sliced almonds edge first into each Olaf puddle. 2 for Olaf's hair and 1 for each of his arms. Place 2 dried blueberries for his eyes and 3 dried blueberries for his buttons. Don't forget to add a carrot cut into a triangular shape for his nose. Oh, I love it even more! And the final touch, the beach umbrella. Poor Olaf. Looks like nobody told him. I better go show my girls.
Pet my head, I'll pet your head.
I have an Olaf snack for you that you get to eat.
Yay! I'm gonna eat this too. Oh, really cool.
It's an Olaf Puddle Parfait.
Thank you for my Olaf Puddle Parfait.
What do you think?
Good! I didn't even try it yet. I just ate the umbrella. This is awesome. It's raining on Olaf. Ew, the old tastes like ice cream. Olaf knows it's tasty. I'm mixing up the water. Mixing up the water. It's so white. Olaf melted.
It's okay. Some people are worth melting for.
Dad, I really love this.
You have something on your lips.
I don't want this, so I just ate all of it, and some of it got on my mouth. Thanks for watching our video.
Loud.
Thanks for watching our video.
No, not that loud.
Thanks for watching our video. I did it cute. And don't forget to subscribe.